If you wanted a date, you could have convinced me to go with you.
You told me you were tired. Besides, I did not want to stress you. And I didn't need a date.
So then what were you doing with her?
I wasn't with her. I was with our son.
Then what the hell is this?
Marjorie, grow up. Look at us. We are grown enough to be grandparents. We have passed these unnecessary bouts. Our son had a fight with someone at a highly esteemed event, and she happened to be there because she's a government official.
Oh, you just love rubbing my face in that, don't you? You just love the fact that she is so accomplished and in the same circle of politicians, and that always makes up for her tagging after you.
It's her job to be there. It so happened that she was close to the event when the incident happened. All right? That's it. Let it go. This scandal is already a pain I have to deal with, and I don't want to deal with you too. I'm not to be blamed if you feel inferior beside her. Besides, nobody ever tried to stop you from doing anything you want to do. You have always been content to stay home as a stay-home mom. And I never tried to push you to stop working.
I did that because between the two of us, one of us had to have time for our son. I hoped you would appreciate me for that.
Of course, I appreciate you. And why are we even having this conversation?
We are having this conversation because you always seem to find a way back into her life.
That is childish.
Nanama, bring me my painkillers.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Please, philosophy 1. Just 1 copy. Hey, please, there's another one. African Studies assignment. Print that one too. Hello, Michael. Yes, I'm inside. Okay, I'm coming out. Bye. Why didn't you pass by the house? I told you she wasn't around.
I couldn't take that chance.
Michael, she's only my sister, not my mother. You shouldn't be afraid of her.
Do you know what went down the last time?
I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry. I don't know what is wrong with my sister.
Not my problem.
Let's go inside.
Actually, Kumba, I came here because I need to talk to you.
Okay, so why didn't you wait for me on campus?
My lecture just got cancelled, so I'll be heading home from here.
Okay. Michael, Do you want to break up with me?
Look, I think it's the best thing for both
It's
of
the
us.
best thing for you, not
Listen,
me.
your sister is crazy. And I don't want to wait to find out where she wants to take her threats.
Michael, please.
Look, I spoke with my mom this morning about what happened the other time. And she says your sister has witchcraft. Maybe she's married to you spiritually.
Michael, there is a reason for this, okay? I swear.
Oh, so you know why your sister acts like a mad woman anytime I come close to you?
I know there is a problem, okay? I'll talk to Mom about it and everything will be fine. I promise.
What are you telling me? And in the meantime, you want her to kill me? Empire
She packed out.
backed out.
We had this huge fight last night. I told her my peace of mind. So she decided to leave.
Never to come back?
I don't know, but you're safe for the meantime.
Madam, Pacho Mary.
Thank you. How much?
2 CD 50 pesos.
Okay, look at you! The most famous person this morning is here. My phone has been ringing since morning. I had to put it off. What's going on?
Yes, that's Benson's wife.
On our next news bulletin, we have Mrs. Joycelyn Benson reporting over the weekend that the media is making a story out of nothing.
Maybe she's just trying to save face, you know? Come on, honey. I wouldn't want to put my family business out there. I wouldn't want my kids hearing about my marital issues on TV like this.
And if I were you, I would slap myself to wake up from this endless dose of stupidity that has taken you prisoner.
Honey, I understand you, but I need you to understand me
What
too.
do you expect me to understand?
Or views concerning the incident aside what she has already
Okay,
stated.
do you trust Zach?
Absolutely.
Really? So somebody comes to tell you about a bogus story about seeing with some other girl. You just believe that?
I think it's too late.
Too late for what?
Too late to find some sense. This guy has made a complete fool out of you, and you sadly don't even realize it.
Honey,
Please.
Yeah,
why the hell have you been ignoring my calls?
I've been working out.
What went down last night?
Have you asked your boyfriend?
No, I am asking you.
Well, he's the best person to explain to you why I punched him.
Because you were jealous?
Jealous. Where's that coming from?
Because you never liked me dating
I
him.
have never liked you dating him, and I'm not jealous.
Is that Anita?
Yeah, that was Anita. Josh, why did you attack him?
Look, I made a wrong call and I'm sorry.
You still haven't answered me, Josh. You still haven't.
Because he was cheating on you.
Cheating on me. How would you know that?
He brought a lady to the conference and I wanted to give you a good reason he can't deny. I knew that if I had told you that there was another woman, it would lead you to believe that I was making this up.
And how sure are you he's seen this lady you think he's dating?
Because I asked her. Listen, look, I'm sorry about this whole mess. Like I said, I made the wrong call. And I didn't intend for anyone else to get caught in it.
Yeah, like my mom who might lose her job because of you.
I'll apologize to her.
So that's it? Huh?
And sadly so. Rest assured, I'm not going to barge into your private matters again.
Josh. He cut the call on me.
And I'm cutting the conversation on you.
Annie.
Dada,
Yeah, drop the broom and join me. Oh, come. You look beautiful indeed. I wore it when I was given away to your grandfather. Your mother wore it too. And your daughter will also wear it.
what if I don't have any daughter?
Your son will have a wife.
And what if I don't have any children at all?
Shh. Shh. Don't speak evil with your mouth and bring doom upon yourself. Never. Ceci!
I mean, how could you live with such a betrayal? Living with someone for more than 15 years.
Are you sure these kids are yours?
I didn't think this conversation would come up today. Remind me to bring you the DNA report if you don't believe such a thing.
Of course not. That's not what I mean. I'm just a bit confused about everything. Do you know their father?
Does she know their fathers? I've been such a fool.
It's not your fault. She's your wife. You trusted her. Most of the times you get hurt by the people we love the most.
Love. Love?
What's that?
Go ahead.
Divorce papers?
My love is with someone else now.
Come here. I'm not going to shed tears for this bastard.
Trisha, please get me off any media programs today. I don't have the strength for any irrelevant news, okay? The old man just called me for a meeting this morning, and I'm sure this will surface if it is not the reason for the meeting in the first place. Be sure to get the monitoring team to get me all angles on this, where this has placed me. I don't need any surprises. Yeah? Okay, thank you. That'll be all.
Festus,
I've been trying your line all morning.
Sorry, you understand the situation, don't you?
Well, I'm sorry about all of this. Yeah, so how you holding up? Because I saw the papers.
But we're in the same boat.
Yes, we are. But it's my son who started all of this.
You know, I'm surprised. Joshua is such a level-headed person. What got into him?
It's Valerie.
What? You think there's something brewing between the two of them again?
I don't know. But I think he's dating that son of a gun. And he's protecting her honor, as he made me understand.
Anyway, how's Marjorie?
Need I say? Listen, I'm sorry about all this negative publicity.
Don't speak. It will blow over soon. Festus, I have to go. We'll be talking soon, okay?
Okay, take care.
Bye.
Hello? Sylvia? No, I'm not coming to the shop today. But I trust you two can handle it in my absence. Don't ask me silly questions. I'll call you if I need anything. Just give me a call if any of the clients is proving difficult. And Sylvia, if Moses comes round looking for me and he asks of me, tell him you have not heard from me. Do you understand? Okay, good.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Please, is Mr. Benson home?
No.
Are you his wife?
Yes.
I presume you know who I am.
Is that a question?
I need answers.
And my husband didn't give you any?
I need to know what is going on between the two of you.
You have the nerve.
Look, I just want to make sure I'm not breaking anybody's marriage.
Stop acting all righteous. Isn't it a bit too late to be asking all these questions? And besides, you are not here to see me. You are here to find out whether you've been made a fool of yourself.
Yes, you're right. So
what do you expect me to tell you?
I just want to know if everything he said was true.
Sorry. You've just been made a fool of. I'm sorry, but not sorry.
Did you cheat on him?
Excuse me.
He said you cheated on him and he later on found out that the kids were not even his. What's funny?
That's his new line. I guess he told you we were getting a divorce.
Yes.
I wish I could feel pity for you. But no, you were comfortably sleeping with my husband, knowing he has a wife and children. No, I'm not sorry for you.
You were telling me he lied to me.
Did you see my name or my signature on those forms?
If you knew about me, why didn't you say anything?
I'll be wasting my time. You are not the first person to have fallen victim to his lies. And I can't follow him around, showing everybody our marriage certificate to anybody who cares to see. You are sleeping with a man whore. Even I stopped sleeping with him months ago. So you can imagine the number of women he has slept with.
Why did you stay?
That's completely my business. But I'll share this with you. He goes on his knees every night, begging me to make love to him. He wants anything but a divorce from me, so he can go ahead and be his stress reliever. I'll just be here, sipping on my fine wine and enjoying with my kids.
I'm sorry, please.
Don't be sorry, honey. If you had any form of dignity, you could have insisted him getting that divorce before allowing him into your pants. You know exactly what you were doing, so don't come here expecting me to support you.
Hey!
When it's going to Asia, Middle East, and the rest of the world, it's not up to 200 citizens.
Yeah, it's quite competitive. It's a good thing. I think we want to latch onto it.
All right, so to make it more visible, we actually brought a sample for you.
Good, good.
Linda, how are you?
I'm fine, Mom.
Is he in?
Yes, please, but he has some guests. You might have to wait a while.
Don't worry, he knows I'm in.
Madam, please, you can't go in. Madam, please, you can't go in.
Valerie.
Please,
Let
madam.
go of me.
Linda, it's okay. It's okay. Let her come. Gentlemen, you'd have to excuse me for a while.
Okay, yes, sir.
You're not going anywhere. We are going to speak about your shitty life right here, right now.
Valerie.
Benson, get my name off your lips. Oh, you're now all diplomatic now? He's fooling you guys, just like he fooled me.
Valerie, that's enough. This is my office for crying out loud.
And that was my dignity you dragged into the mud.
Sir, I think you should get the security.
Don't worry, I'll be long gone before they get here. And now you listen to me. Don't ever think of calling me again. Else, you see your name all over the papers of how much of a womanizer you are. I can't even believe I had anything to do with a cheap man like you. Bastard.
Sorry, gentlemen. Forgive me. It's a man's life.
What are you doing?
Reading about the Civil War.
Again?
Why are you back so early?
He wasn't around. I called his phone several times, but he didn't pick up. Why are you reading about the Civil War again?
Michael, I need to see more pictures. What are you doing?
This thing is not doing you any good.
Michael, what do you mean it's not doing me any good? This is my history.
Which you have read over and over.
I need to find out where I come from. Who I am. The fact that I was born here. Talk and act like you doesn't make me a Ghanaian.
Why am I suddenly reminded of your sister? She put this in your head, didn't she?
To some extent, she's right.
Look, I am not asking you to denounce who you are. I love who you are. I love your name. But there's so much about your family and country that you probably do not know.
And probably, I may never find out.
What do you mean?
She told me a whole lot. I feel like if I begin to understand what she witnessed as a child, I might begin to understand her. And probably help.
What did she tell you?
A lot. Basically, she never wants to go back to Liberia. She is... I don't know. Need to be someone different. Someone else.
You already know that. That's why she hates her local name and everything related to your origins.
Michael, it's not that. She seems to have this psychological problem.
Well, that is possible. You know, people can suffer from the trauma of an incident for a very long time.
Do you think this is what this is?
Well, it may be. Let's look it up.
Okay.
Joshua. 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 Joshua.
You scared the hell out of me.
How many people have access to your house?
You alright?
I don't know.
What do you mean?
I'm coming from his place.
I see.
I'm sorry.
For?
I know I've been silly lately.
Yes, you have.
I just can't believe this is happening to me. You know?
I'm sorry.
No, I am sorry. I know I've been acting like a 12-year-old girl in love.
Yeah, you did act like one.
Yeah. It's all my fault. I know you were just trying to protect me, right?
You're my best friend. I wouldn't allow anyone to disrespect you ever. You know that. Oh.
You know you're not.
We've been here before, Val.
And we're here again.
No.
Why not?
Because you said we're too important to allow any intimate issues to get in the way.
What if I've changed my mind?
I'm not a puppet, Val. I mean, you can't change your mind and change it and expect that I'll go along with it.
Fine, let's just try it one more time, please.
Just go to bed, Val. Just...
No! Why do you want me to go to bed?
Because you're just coming out of a relationship and you're not gonna use me to get over him.
I'm not using you, and you know that. I'm not. Wait, are you telling me you don't feel anything for me anymore?
No, I don't.
And that's a very fat lie, and you know that.
Why?
For starters, Anita thinks what you did last night was out of jealousy. And I agree with her.
Well, you're both wrong.
Come on, Joshua.
Just go to bed. You must be tired. I have a meeting in town. I'll be back soon.